एकदा प्रयत्न करू किंवा मग आपण पुढे जाऊ.
Okay, sure. Okay. Bye.
हा कचरा कुणाच्याही कामावर ठेवल्याला आवडणार नाहीये.
उघड्यावर टाकलेला सॅनिटरी कचरा हाताळणे आमच्या आरोग्याला हानिकारक आहे. सॅनिटरी कचरा म्हणजे डायपर आणि पॅड कागदात गुंडाळून त्याच्यावर लाल बिंदू लावून दिला तर आम्हाला समजेल की ते उघडायचं नाही. त्याचं व्यवस्थित वर्गीकरण करता येईल आणि त्या कचऱ्याची योग्य विल्हेवाट पण लावता येईल.
तुम्हाला गेल्या 5-6 वर्षापूर्वी सांगितलं होतं की सॅनिटरी हॅगीज असं पेपरात गुंडाळून आम्हाला लाल बिंदू लावून किंवा टिकली लावून आम्हाला द्या आणि अशी सवय परत पण छान लागल आणि कचऱ्याचा हे सॅनिटरी कचऱ्याचा प्रश्न सुटल.
थँक्यू अमोघ. सो खरं तर ते इतकं सोपं आहे की व्रॅप अँड रेड डॉट इट. ती एक फक्त आपल्याला सवय लागणं गरजेचं आहे जेणेकरून ती योग्य विल्हेवाट आपल्याला त्या सॅनिटरी वेस्टची लावता येईल. मूव्हिंग अहेड, आय रिक्वेस्ट हमसा टू टेक ओव्हर and discuss with us about menstrual hygiene and what are the other options of Hamsa.
Hi, good evening. Thank you so much for inviting me to this panel. आणि मी जरा हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी तिन्ही मध्ये जरा फ्लिप करीन so that everybody is comfortable. I'm most comfortable in English, so those of you who are Marathi speakers आणि ज्यांना कळत नाहीये, please feel free to use the chat box, and I'm sure the Swatch team will also help in translating in Marathi. So before मी सुरू करीन, एक मी स्टेटमेंट सांगते की मी गेल्या 9 वर्षात डिस्पोजेबल सॅनिटरी पॅड्स वापरलं नाहीये आणि माझी मुलगी 2 वर्षाची आहे आणि तिला मी एकही डिस्पोजेबल डायपर वापरलेलं नाहीये. आणि ह्याच्याकरता आय थिंक अश्विनीताई आणि माधुरीताई दोघेही खूप छान मांडल्यात की आपल्याकडची एक मोठी हे आहे की रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज ऍक्च्युअली इन आवर हँड्स. आणि the biggest technology that anybody has at home is I think their आजीज आणि त्यांचे सासू आणि त्यांच्या आया, राईट, जे मला खूप मदत केलेलं आहे इन माय सस्टेनेबल जर्नी. हा 8-9 वर्ष आम्ही काय वापरलं ह्याच्याबद्दल मी तुम्हाला सांगेन. आणि these are the pads that I have used, sun dried, आणि ऍब्सोल्युटली त्याला काहीही वास येत नाही, त्याला काहीही डाग नाहीये. आणि मी त्याच्याकरता एक रुटीन फॉलो करते आणि त्याकरता आम्ही ओपनली घरात पण बोलतो. We also talk about it openly at home. We are very keen about enabling that conversation. आणि त्याकरता all of our friends and the people in our first circle have started reaching out to us in terms of how can we make these switch to these alternatives. Where did this journey start to me? It started when I visited a landfill in Bombay and I saw a lot of waste pickers handling this waste, and that image really stayed with me. So when I looked at alternatives, I got to know about something called as menstrual cups, and I got to know about something called as cloth pads. And one of the things I thought was, hey, खरोखर possible होना रहेगा? Is this really going to be possible? क्या मैं हर महावारी के time पे will I be able to do this, do justice to myself? And somewhere deep down, the answer was not just in terms of that I want to manage my waste responsibly. I also wanted to generate lesser waste as we go about with it. So when I looked at my disposable sanitary pad, what were these two options, right? That was a cloth pad and as a menstrual cup. Both of them are great choices for my private parts, my vagina, because they make sure that they're not giving me rashes, that they are cheaper on my pocket, and at the same time they also don't generate rash, right? So therefore they are cash free, rash free, and trash free. So great option for me. It put my health at the heart of it, and I really felt like I didn't have to wait for an external system to take care of a problem that I'm equally part of. I was actually being part of the solution rather than part of the pollution, right? So when so I always say this to people, that kindness has to come to our body first, and then we can, sort of walk the talk and share it to others. I didn't want any harsh chemicals in, touching my body. So therefore, I really translated it into saying that this is my responsibility towards my body, and I need to understand what is it that I'm using. राईट. सो आपण खूप बोललोय की 11-12 वर्षापर्यंत ते 50 years, we are using all these disposable pads. But how many pads are we using? We really need to calculate that. How much does any menstruator bleed in a day? And that's about 420 periods in a lifetime, and that's about 150 kilos of sanitary waste generated by every menstruator. So think about it from that perspective. If you make that shift, then you're actually not generating that 150 kilos of sanitary waste, which is neither a burden to your municipal corporation or to your gram panchayat, nor is it any burden to any waste picker, right? So the best part about cloth pads today are the fact that they actually come with these leak-proof layers at the bottom. And they come with these stitch pins, amazing astat, which make sure that, they don't move anywhere. आपल्या आज्याच्या काळात ते खूप छान एक कापड वापरत होत्या. They used to use cloth traditionally. It used to be a nice old cotton sari, which, also, somewhere was an extension of the way of life that they lived. Kuthitari we have, moved away from thinking that, menstruation is a taboo. It is something that we have to take an external care of. But, really, like my gynecologist puts it, it happens every month. It's such an amazing thing. Like, we don't appreciate the regularity about it. And when I accept the regularity about it, I am prepared to make a healthier option. I am prepared to make, what is the best, what is at the heart of it, the best interest for me. So a cloth pad today needs to really, really, be about how do I manage this, right? So instead of, calling the cloth as a dirty rag, all that we need to do is manage a little bit of hygiene. And this is far more hygienic than any other disposable alternative. Tell 30 minutes minimum, we need to soak it. We need to, once after 30 minutes, just gently agitate it and then put it out, in your normal wash cycle. You machine madhe dhu shakta, you can hand wash it and you can dry it. It's absolutely fine. But the key to this is that you need to dry it in natural sunlight, just like how we would, sun dry our child's langots in it, right? Because it takes care of a lot of other problems, and it makes sure that our cloth pads are absolutely hygienic completely. And ह्याच्याकरता जे काय handholding लागतं, we've been doing that as a part of a group called as Green the Red over the last 8 years, and there are some members from Green the Red also who are part of this panel today, as part of this group seminar today. Now, even about the menstrual cups, right? They're absolutely safe to use. They're made from medical grade silicone, and you need to just insert it in your vaginal cavity like this, and it sits there. It sits there because it has a vacuum. There are different ways to look at this. There are stems, there are non-stem designs available. आणि आज हे भारतामध्ये कित्येक लोक हे already manufacture करतात. The best part about using a menstrual cup is that you can do everything in it, including swimming. So, आता नाही करू शकत आपण कोविडच्या काळामध्ये, but it really gives you that extra level of comfort and convenience. I remember when I switched to the menstrual cup for the first cycle, I really wondered, hey, इतकं मोठं आहे, खरोखर जाणार का? But after having understood from my doctor, from my peers in terms of how we can go about with it, we really are, I've been able to make this switch, and I've been able to comfort a lot of people who are using this as a process. ह्याच्याकरता all that you need to do is once in every 12 to 14 hours, you just empty your cup, tap wash it, because our vaginas are self-sterilizing organs, and you just need to reinsert it. And there's absolutely nothing to worry about in terms of, a health alternative for the menstrual cup. There are very different types of menstrual cups that you find today. There are some with loops, some of them are stemless, some of them have knobs. All of them will more or less, take care of any and, generic vaginal size. Many brands also have different types of cups. आणि हे मी प्री डिलिव्हरी पण तेच कप वापरले आणि आता सुद्धा पण तेच वापरलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे I didn't have to make any different investment. In fact, even in my postpartum lochia days, right, जेव्हा मला postpartum bleeding होता, तेव्हा सुद्धा I have used cloth pads, and my entire ecosystem of my mother, my mother-in-law, my grandmother-in-law, my husband, everybody sort of came together and said that, no, if you're making this choice, let us support you in the way we would like to support you. And that makes a huge difference to somebody who wants to make, switch to the sustainable alternatives. Even the fact that a menstrual cup can be used with a copper T inserted, there's no problem at all. speak to a gynecologist more about this, but I just wanted to put it out there for everybody. Often we are told that disposables अगर किती हे त्रास करणार, कितना मेहनत करोगे, क्या करोगे, cheaper option है ना, it just costs you 10 rupees, 20 rupees, whatever. But honestly, is it really cheaper, right? एक वेळाची investment, like a good menstrual cup today will cost you anywhere between 400 rupees to 1,200 rupees. And think about it, it's a one-time investment. A set of 5 or 6 cloth pads costed me about 1,200 rupees आणि ते आतापर्यंत मला उपयोगी पडतात. And that's really like to me, as anybody who manages their household expenses, this is like an absolute investment for my health and also for my household budget. So think about it from that perspective as well. दूसरी गोष्ट की when we had our daughter, we looked at the traditional cloth diaper approach, right? आजीची 3 जुनी साड्या आम्ही घेतली, त्याला माझ्या सासूनी सुंदर शिवण केलं, आणि we looked at how can we prevent this from coming. In fact, our daughter was given to us in a reusable langot, which we were very, very happy about, being people who are very sustainable conscious about the choices that we make. आणि खरोखर एक 10-12 diapers and a lot of these langots made us absolutely be pro at cloth diapering. आणि आमची बाळाची लंगोट वापरल्यानंतर we have been able to pass it on to other babies very easily. So there is absolutely no worry about any waste picker handling this. And this is how we looked at, traditionally using our cloth diaper. And I'm just going to leave you for a minute in terms of understanding this. How did we do this langot, which ensured that no pee or poop sort of touched me when I was feeding the baby or burping the baby. I never had to worry about, the excessive mess that would be around it. So how do I actually manage and how do I wash this cloth diaper? First of all, just like you would do it, आपल्या कुठल्या ह्याच्यावर सपोज शी किंवा शू झाली असेल तर त्याला पाण्याने आधी नीट विसरून घ्यावं, agitated and shake the poo, pee off it, rinse it with your shower, cold wash it once, soak it in either Dettol water or you would just like to soak it in some water. रिठाच्या पाण्याने तुम्ही ते solution मध्ये भिजत घालू शकता. And then just give it a normal wash in your washing machine and then sun dry it. And that is what is needed today if you have to manage this entire waste on your own. The key to all of this is actually making that individual choice of shifting to a sustainable alternative. And it is really not that difficult in terms of moving to this. त्याला एक discipline लागते, त्याला एक वेगळा दृष्टिकोन लागतो आणि त्याला एक persistently you have to be at it. But the beauty about it is that I've actually had requests in this COVID for people asking me, do you have additional cloth diapers to spare? And can I now move to, an systemic alternative to this? You don't, तुम्हाला गर्दी करावीच लागत नाही कारण तुमच्याकडे तुमचा स्टॅश असतोच. And you don't have to worry about, okay, मला हे होल्ड करून ठेवावं लागणार आहे का, अजून 3 पाकिटं सॅनिटरी पॅड आणून ठेवू का? You don't have to get into this. You are just self-sufficient on a completely different level altogether. And it's a very easy process if you understand the routine and system around it. So I will stop at that. And I will leave you with this last cost comparison between a disposable diaper and a cloth diaper. And one of the things that a lot of our friends did was when they asked us, what do you want as a gift for the baby? I told them, please gift me a cloth diaper. And I'm very grateful to those 5 or 6 friends who sent me 2 cloth diapers each. So I didn't even have to spend it from my pocket. My mother invested in a couple of them for me. And it was a great gift because it got us to potty train our daughter, to pee train our daughter by the time she was 2 years old. Comfortably, nobody lost their mental peace of mind because they were using a cloth diaper. My daughter has been comfortable. She has been able to give us elimination cues. And ह्याच्या सगळ्यामध्ये मोठा सहभाग असा आहे की when your family is rooted and believes on the same cause as you are, it is very easy for you to make this switch. However, if they are not very keen and if they're not very supportive about it, it's still easy to do. All you need to do is understand the routine and make the shift. I will stop at that. I'm being mindful of the time. And if there are any questions, I'm happy to take.
Thanks, Amsa, for making it so simple that it's easy to make a good choice. And I definitely agree to you that this using of this cloth diapers and all, it helps in potty training and other things because you tend to be fast enough to potty train a kid rather than be relaxed on saying diaper hai na, dekh lenge baad mein.
Yes.
So that's please go ahead.
Yeah, I'll just like to make one statement. There's a lot of conversation about the right technology and how is the technology going to be in it. the best technology that we have are our two hands. You know, we can prevent the waste from being generated at our homes with those two hands, and we can segregate whatever sanitary waste that is being generated from it. No other technology comes close to being so pertinent and useful than our two hands. So, you know, if we can do it with our two hands, that is definitely a great way to, you know, bring your hand together for a partnership. I'll stop there. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Samsa. So dear all, it's really that simple, and to choose a right kind of alternative. And this is also the thing which we preach at Swachh, and it's not only us, but it is also the members, the waste speakers, who are doing the right kind of choices. I'll just ask Saili to brief us about how we are trying to promote this kind of better sustainable alternatives within the waste speakers, and how was the response about it. Saili? Hi, Saili.
हॅलो.
Hi, Saili, please.
नमस्कार. मी थोडक्यात सांगते की कचरा वेचकांसोबत आपण काय उपक्रम केला आहे. हॅलो, माझा
हा.
आवाज येतोय?